Oh, yes, the past can hurt. But the way I see it, you can either run from it or learn from it.
Why are you trying so hard to fit in when you're born to stand out?
It is not our abilities that show what we truly are. It is our choices.
Life will knock us down, but we can choose better or not to get back up.
You gotta keep breathing. Because tomorrow the sun will rise. Who knows what the tide could bring?
Don't ever let somebody tell you you can't do something. Not even me. Alright? You got a dream, you gotta protect it. People can't do something themselves, they want to tell you you can't do it. You want something, go get it. Period.